Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. Pagani Design unboxing time. Another Pagani Design. This one had appeared in my feed several times when I've been on AliExpress, and it wasn't an expensive watch. Picked it up for about £35. What's that? Less than $40. It's the PD-2720. So I thought I would get one in for review. Slide it out the outer case. There we go. Pretty standard Pagani Design box. If you've not seen one before, it's always appreciated. So PD-2720. I went with the silver and the black version. Now I'll put a link in the description to the Pagani Design flagship store. I think this one was from. They got both in stock at the time. And here we go. Usual Pagani Design cleaning cloth, always useful. And this is, it's upside down typically. And this is the watch itself. Oh, that's very shiny watch. Yeah, so I went with this. Oh, I didn't realise it was stitched leather strap. As I say, there is a white or silver dialed version of this available as well. Comes on a brown strap. Now it is quite a big watch. So I think it's something like 46.5mm wide. So guys with bigger wrists, now I've got an 8-inch wrist and I'll show you just on wrist in a second. We'll easily carry that off. Anyone with a smaller wrist might find this a little on the large side. I believe the strap's something like 21.5mm strap or something, which is a bit unusual. But very nice. Quite a standard sort of chronograph look. We've got the, what we got at the top, well sorry, at the bottom. So we've got the seconds hand at the top and the top sub dial. Then we've got up to 60 minutes on the chronograph on the 6 o'clock sub dial, and then the hour it says on there 3, 12, 24. Wouldn't that go up to normally go to 24 if it was a 12, 24 hour? Well, I'm not sure. I'll have to do a bit more research. Standard back, 50 meters of water resistance. I don't think it's a screw down crown. No, it's not a screw down crown. Now it's mineral crystal on this, but look at that box crystal. That box down crystal is lovely. Very nice indeed. I believe there's only lume on the hour and the minute hand. Very big watch. Pagani Design onto the buckle. Let's try and get this little tag thing off. As it just folded through, it is. And we'll show it on wrist. I'm not sure why they bother with these things. Pretty sure we could save a bit of plastic there and the environment. But yeah, really nice. As I say, I bought it just because it was looked like an everyday sort of business watch. Not particularly in your face. Oh, it says water resistant 100 meters on the back of there. And yet on the listing it says 5 bar, which I believe is 50 meters. Okay, not the first time we found an issue with that. I can't get it. Tag off the back. Come on, you bloody thing. Oh, there we go. Oh, not the camera. There we go. Yeah, 100 meters water resistance. PD-2720K. Oh yes, the VK67 caliber as well. All solid stainless steel. So it's a screw on, yeah, screw on case back. We've still got some coverings on here. Let's try the chrono actually. So if I start that. Oh, a little bit of a push. Oh, I see. So the large second hand starts moving for the chronograph. I'll just see that ticking round. If I stop it and then reset, oh yeah, it's just a push to reset. Date window down at sort of the 4 o'clock. Pagani Design chronograph. Very nice. Right, let's try it on wrist. Today I got the Casio Duro one. Done a video on that. Still worth the money. I'll put a link to that in the corner. Let's take that off. Let's try this on. Now I've got an 8-inch wrist, so allegedly this should fit. I think it says it's 25. No, 46mm length. Watch perimeter 22.45mm. What? Okay, I think they've got that wrong as well. Right, let's try it on wrist and see if it'll fit first of all. They're the straps. Okay, I think. Oh, I've got an extra hole. Right, here we go. Let's move that out the way. So here it is on wrist. I have got an extra hole there, so that's nice. Double retainers. I don't think I'll make it through to the second retainer, or maybe just say Pagani on the buckle. Yeah, really nice, very nice. So I'll wear this now for a good while and get the review up for it. Now, if this isn't your type of watch, the Casio Duro might be. It was my watch of the year that I reviewed in 2022. I'll put a link through to that video in the corner. Thanks to everybody that subscribed, liked and commented, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.